Hello friends, hope you are fine. So today we are going to make a origami heart with wing. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Be sure you hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification to be alerted of new crafty fun videos and drawings when they come out. I hope you enjoyed the folding of origami heart with wing. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification to be alerted of new crafty fun videos and drawings. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.